Have you ever wondered why some people seem to effortlessly climb the financial ladder while others struggle endlessly? Imagine a world where financial security isn't a distant dream, but a tangible reality. Today, we're venturing into the game-changing lessons from Robert Kiyosaki's Rich Dad, Poor Dad that have transformed millions of lives, including mine. Stick around to discover the secrets that could change your financial future forever. Rich Dad, Poor Dad isn't just a book, it's a revolutionary guide to financial literacy. Robert Kiyosaki's insights stem from his own life experiences with two father figures, his biological father, the poor dad, and his best friend's father, the rich dad. Each man offered contrasting views on money, investing, and success. These differing perspectives shaped Kiyosaki's approach to wealth and financial freedom. In this video, we'll unravel 7 pivotal lessons from this iconic book, lessons that are as relevant today as they were when first written. Let's kick things off with the first, and arguably the most crucial lesson, the importance of financial education. Have you ever felt that your formal education didn't quite prepare you for real-world financial decisions? Kiyosaki argues that traditional schooling fails to teach us about money. Instead, we learn by observing and mimicking those around us. His Rich Dad emphasized self-education in finance, pushing the idea that anyone can become financially literate. Think about it. How often do you make financial decisions based on what you've been told rather than what you've learned? We'll revisit this thought shortly. Imagine you're fresh out of school, diploma in hand, ready to conquer the world. You land your first job and start earning a steady paycheck. But when it comes to managing your finances, you realize you're clueless. Should you save, invest, or spend? This confusion is common because our educational system rarely delves into practical financial management. Kiyosaki's Rich Dad highlighted this gap and encouraged taking financial education into one's own hands. Books, seminars, and financial mentors are invaluable resources. The key is to continually seek knowledge and apply it in real life. Next up, understanding the difference between assets and liabilities. This concept is simple, yet profound. An asset is something that puts money in your pocket, while a liability takes money out. It's shocking how many people don't grasp this fundamental difference. Kiyosaki's Rich Dad taught him to focus on acquiring assets, things like real estate, stocks, and businesses that generate income. Are your purchases adding value to your financial life, or are they draining your resources? Consider this. You buy a new car. While it provides convenience, it's not an asset. The car's value depreciates, and maintenance costs add up, making it a liability. Contrast this with purchasing a rental property. It might require an initial investment, but over time, the rental income can surpass the costs, making it an asset. This lesson encourages a shift in mindset from buying luxuries to investing in assets that grow your wealth over time. Another game changer, mind your own business. Kiyosaki doesn't mean you should be rude. Instead, he suggests that we should all focus on building and nurturing our own financial ventures. Whether you have a side hustle or invest in stocks, the goal is to create multiple streams of income. Consider this. How many of us spend years building someone else's dream while neglecting our own? Kiyosaki's lesson here is clear. Your job is not your business. Your business is what you invest your time and resources into outside of your job. Think about the hours you spend working for someone else. What if you dedicated a fraction of that time to building your own business? For instance, starting an online store, investing in stocks, or writing a blog that generates ad revenue. Over time, these ventures can provide financial security and independence. The key is to start small and gradually scale up your efforts. Let's talk about the power of corporations. Rich Dad highlighted how the wealthy use corporations to protect and grow their wealth. By understanding tax laws and corporate structures, individuals can legally minimize taxes and protect their assets. This is a strategy often overlooked by the average person, but can be a powerful tool for wealth accumulation. Have you ever considered how corporations could benefit your personal finances? For example, by setting up a corporation, you can benefit from tax deductions on business expenses, such as travel, meals, and even certain types of insurance. Additionally, corporations can provide liability protection, separating your personal assets from business liabilities. This means if your business faces legal issues, your personal wealth remains safeguarded. Understanding and utilizing these benefits can significantly enhance your financial strategy. This lesson might surprise you. Work to learn, not to earn. Kiyosaki's Rich Dad encouraged him to take jobs for the skills and experiences they offered, rather than the paycheck. This approach helps you build a diverse skill set that can be invaluable in your entrepreneurial ventures. Think back to your career choices. Have they been driven by salary or by the opportunities to learn and grow. Imagine you're working in sales, not because it's your dream job, but because you want to master the art of persuasion and communication. These skills can be applied to any business venture, making them incredibly valuable. Similarly, working in different industries can provide a broad perspective and versatile expertise, which are crucial for entrepreneurial success. The focus should be on gaining knowledge and experience that contribute to long-term goals. The sixth lesson is about creativity in finance. Rich Dad taught Kiyosaki that the rich invent money. They look for opportunities where others see obstacles. This involves taking calculated risks and thinking outside the box. It's about leveraging resources and creating opportunities rather than waiting for them. For example, during a recession, while many were tightening their belts, Kiyosaki invested in real estate, buying properties at rock-bottom prices. Think about how you can apply this in your life. Maybe it's starting a business during an economic downturn when competition is low, or investing in undervalued stocks. The key is to stay informed, think creatively, and not be afraid to take calculated risks. Innovation and a proactive mindset can turn challenges into profitable opportunities. Finally, overcoming the fear of failure. One of the most significant barriers to financial success is the fear of making mistakes. Poor Dad played it safe, while Rich Dad embraced failure as a learning opportunity. This mindset shift is crucial for anyone looking to achieve financial freedom. What would you do if you weren't afraid of failing? Consider how many potential opportunities you've let slip due to fear. Whether it's investing in a new venture or shifting careers, fear can be paralyzing. However, viewing failure as a stepping stone rather than a setback can liberate you. Each failure teaches valuable lessons and brings you one step closer to success. Embrace risk and learn from your experiences. If these lessons resonated with you, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more life-changing financial insights. Comment below on which lesson you found most eye-opening and why. Thanks for watching. Until next time, keep learning and keep growing.